Maintenance mode for the MFC990CW types of printers. Okay, so just going to jerk around a little bit. I'm going to hold down the copy button and I'm going to plug the power in. So this is going to be tricky because I don't have a tripod. So sorry about this. I'm just going to go away for a second. Putting the power into the wall, holding the copy button, keep holding it. Right, so now you've got a screen, yeah, of in maintenance mode. Now, there's a whole lot of things that you can do in here, but I'm doing this to do a purge of the printhead because I'm not getting any print from this printer. I don't think I will get any print from this printer. I think it's deady bones, but you might have some more luck. So what we're going to do is we're going to press the 7 and the 6 key. 7 and 6. Now it says, see that? It says cleaning all. But if you only want to clean one of them, you have to be able to select which colour. So you've got to use arrows to do that. So hold the copy and the scan button at the same time. You hold them down until you see arrows. There are the arrows. I'm going to move across, it says cleaning all. And you could probably, if you want to clean all, you can press the black start button here. Let's say you just want to do the black. Right, black. Or any other colour. So you just keep moving through. Black. Okay. You could press the mono key. And it'll start cleaning. Power purging is very good for getting rid of blockages and things along those lines. As I said, I don't think this particular printer is salvageable, which is a bit unfortunate. Now, there's a whole lot of maintenance manuals online, and you can get them by typing in things like MFC990 service manual, right? So it's going through its motions. I'm going to pretty much leave it now, but I do think that you get back to the number pad and press 99. That will take you back to your home page. Okay? Hope that helps you. And it's Jeff from Cartridge World.